On today's Fit to Eat, Chef Rob Stinson will show us how to prepare a delicious brown rice dish with some immaculate tricolored peppers. While brown rice might have a reputation of being boring, it doesn't have to be that way. These peppers and rice work hand in hand to create a savory treat that's both healthy and easy to prepare. First things first, we chop. Instead of water, we're going to use vegetable stock to cook our rice. Here at Fit to Eat, we recommend salt-free vegetable stock. Add 2/3 of a cup of vegetable stock to a pot, followed by 1/3 of a cup of uncooked brown rice. Regardless of how much rice you want, it's always a 2-to-1 liquid to rice ratio. Cover, then bring the rice up to a boil. As soon as it's boiling, bring the heat down to low for about 12 minutes or so. As tempting as it might be, do not remove the lid. While the rice cooks, we can begin. Heat up a 1/2 teaspoon of oil in a pan. Now it's time for the parade of veggies. Add the diced onion, celery, tomato, diced red bell pepper, diced yellow bell pepper, half of the garlic, green onion, parsley, and finally, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Give everything a nice toss or stir so all these ingredients get cooked at the same speed. When the peppers start to soften and the onion has become translucent, it's time to deglaze the pan. Take a splash of water, or white wine if you're into that sort of thing, and pour it over the vegetable medley. Deglazing helps to prevent all that flavorful goodness from sticking to the pan. Next, add in our cooked rice. Now that the rice is done, it's time to prepare its companion, the tricolored peppers. Heat up a 1/2 teaspoon of oil in a pan. Add in the other half of our garlic, followed by 3 cups of spinach leaves. Pour a splash of water over the spinach and watch it shrink away before your eyes. Seriously, this takes like 5 seconds. Once it's done, plate it. Next, add the sliced red, yellow, and green bell peppers to the same pan, followed by the sliced onion. Season with a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Get the pan really hot and toss or stir the peppers. You'll probably want to deglaze the pan at some point too. When the bell peppers have become tender, place these on top of our spinach base. And just like that, we have delicious peppers and rice that are fit to eat. To see the full episode this recipe came from, visit mpbonline.org/fit-to-eat or follow the link in the description below. Chef Rob talks with Java Chapman, the producer of Deep South Dining on MPB Think Radio. They pair the peppers and rice with a delicious turkey and cheese casserole. For more fit-to-eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.